In the material section of BCN3D Cura, you will find the basic parameters to determine the temperature of the printheads and printing surface. You can also modify some advanced parameters depending on which material you are using. To modify these parameters, first access the custom menu and display the material settings. You can see the preset values for each head and toggle between extruder 1 and 2 by clicking at the top. The printing temperature parameter allows you to modify the temperature at which the model will be printed. Depending on the selected material and hot end, the temperature may differ for each head. The second parameter, printing parameter initial layer, allows you to set a different temperature for printing the first layer, which is the one in contact with the printing surface. Similarly, you can set a different value for each printhead. The third parameter, build plate temperature, allows you to modify the temperature of the printing surface. The link icon indicates that this parameter will be the same for both heads. If modified in one head, it will be automatically applied in the other. BCN3D Cura allows you to configure many parameters, which you can enable from the top settings, settings visibility, enable all, or by clicking on the settings icon for each parameter. In the BCN3D knowledge base, you will find detailed information on how to adjust each parameter, with tips according to the material and hot ends you want to use.